Hello students, myself Mrs. Swati Mahendra Dakhre, Department of Chemistry, Government Vidarbha Institute of Science and Humanities, Amravati. So students, we take practicals of organic chemistry. In one exercise, there are estimations of compound or elements. So we take today the estimation of nitrogen from sample. One sample is given to you and you have to calculate the percentage of nitrogen in it. So the apparatus required for this experiment are Geldas flask, conical flask, burner, condenser, thermometer, etc. Material required are sodium sulfate, concentrated sulfuric acid, sodium hydroxide, distilled water, boric acid, etc. The diagram is shown here. Procedure. In this procedure, there are 3 steps. In step 1, there is a digestion procedure. So, weigh 10 gram soil into 500 ml flask, add 10 ml distilled water and leave to stand for 10 minutes. Add the catalyst 2 tablets Na2SO4, add 20 ml concentrated sulfuric acid, digest until clear and colorless solution. Further digest for 30 to 45 minutes, allow the flask to cool, filter the fluid into a 100 ml volumetric flask, washing the sand with altogether 50 ml distilled water, small at a time. Make up the mark with distilled water. In the step 2, there is a distillation process. Transfer an aliquot of 10 ml of the liquid into the Geldal apparatus. Add 50 ml of the strong NaOH distilled over steam for 10 minutes into 10 ml of the boric acid in a 500 ml conical flask. In the step 3, there is a titration. In the titration procedure, the amount of NH3 liberated and captured by boric acid is determined by titrating with 0.1 normal HCl. Add 8 drops of the mixed indicator. Titrate with 0.1 normal HCl till color changes to grey and then suddenly flashes to pink. Carry out blank titration with distilled water. The calculation is like this. You have to calculate the percentage of nitrogen, but before that the weight of nitrogen in the soil digest is equal to 14 into A minus B into N divided by 1000, where A is volume of acid in sample titration, B is volume of acid in blank titration, N is the normality of standard acid. Now mass of soil in 10 ml of digest used for distillation. 100 ml of digest was obtained from 10 gram of soil. Then 10 ml of digest will be obtained from 1 gram. Hence the percentage of nitrogen in the soil sample is equal to 14 multiplied by A minus B factor into N into 100 into 1 divided by 1000. So in this way you have to calculate the percentage of nitrogen and the result should be right, like the ppm of, that means part per million, of nitrogen is equal to percentage of nitrogen into 104. So students, I hope you understand the procedure well. So here the practical is over.